so I would like to go again with you through the workflow we went through and put a few faces on the names. Since I'm German, I didn't know the reference, but so we have a photographer. So Jeremy took a little photos on the event and wanted to upload them as easy as possible because he's a photographer, not an uploader. He hands them over to Elaine. She's hoping for good photos because she's a little photo editor and has to deal with them. So she wants to edit photos, as her title says, and select as easy as possible. Hands them over to George, who's the marketing manager and a little concerned about the metadata people put in the you know that. And afterwards he is going to download them and manage them. And afterwards we have our CEO, who doesn't see too much yet, but with KPIs we're gonna give him a little more overview about the workflow. So in advance, Elaine created a project for Jerry, which sent him a mail and said, please upload your files to us. So Jerry logs in to the portal, and as easy as possible, there's one button. He has to upload files as a photographer. And he's going to drag and drop easily the photos from the shoot, adding metadata to all uploaded images here towards the party. Party is good. Uploads them, sees all of them uploaded, and appearing here on the left side. Now, interesting is that all the assets here in our project got a progression. So all of them entered a workflow. So we can basically see throughout the whole process what happened at which time and who did what. So while all our files are now ready, this was basically what we had to do because we are still a photographer, not an uploader. So next turn is Elaine, and she's entering the system and getting her own dashboard with all assets for a selection ready or waiting for her. So we have our assets here, can easily select them, or with a tap on the space, see them as we are used to from the Mac, because we are creative in our Mac, of course. All right, so we go through them, or we can compare them in the side-by-side view, just right here, to really see which picture does fit best for our campaign. So as we select this one, we go back to our grid view and take a few more. Fine, perfect. Not too less pictures, perfect. And that's basically what we had to do as a selection. So what I want to show here is that we can really create individual dashboards for each user in the process to make it as easy as possible for him to interact with your campaign to really accelerate the workflows. So for our retouching part, we have a plugin in Photoshop, and just from here, Elaine can access all the files she has in the DALIM. So from here, she can basically drag and drop a file, sorry Karen, and make her edits right from here. So we can make a little change here. I give Photoshop lessons later. And that was already the check-in, check-out. It was basically click, drag and drop, and done. So no problem with forgetting check-in, check-out, because when you upload it, it's automatically checked back in. So now we handed over our files and retouched them for George. And George is going to log in and see in the DAM all files selected and retouched, ready for him to work on. So he doesn't really have to click on each file just to check if there's metadata. He automatically sees it on the first glance. So you can basically build all your own views and see that nobody really took care of the metadata, just with a picture from Karen. So that's good. And we can also go into our viewer. From here, we can really see the pictures in detail, and we can compare all versions we have available. So of course we have a side-by-side view, we can have an overlay, making changes blink, so you might see the change here, or analyze the changes, because sometimes you might have changes which are very, very small. And like that, we are sure all are done. But we as George, we are very critical with our assets, because that's important, so we want some more changes for later. So we make an annotation here, please change, make a drawing there, and on the drawing, we will add a file, whatever file it is, which is small, there, perfect. Just drag and drop the file on it, so the designer later knows what he has to do, is edit, where he has to do it, and with which asset he has to do it. So it's basically no problem and no back and forth about it. And even if there's an answer and question functionality. All right, after we did that, we're gonna send a file from us directly to our website, because as we see right now, we have a gray area here waiting to be filled with our party images. So we basically take this button and we have a very deep integration in this part with our website. So we take the part, we crop the picture as we want it, select the format we need and also the resolution, and automatically apply it on our website. So as we saw here, it's now automatically applied to our website. Check the cache, and here's our photo. So you can really have a deep integration with all your website, all your media, and all your channels to really automate and erase human touch points in your workflow. Okay. To go to the search, of course we have the text search, but also we have the possibility to search all our files in taxonomies, or we use the text search, or we can also connect, combine those searches. So while you search in the taxonomy, you can also search text and so on. All right. So right from here, for Facebook, we do the same. We can basically take our picture from here, download it here, and use the JPEG version to download it. And we got it right in our download box. All right. Was that everything we had to do, George? George is happy? Is that George happy? Yes, we are happy. So now let's help Cosmo, because he can really see things. So let's help Cosmo, of course, as a CEO, he can see everything. He can see all the status of all assets, he has an overview, and through the milestones in the project on each file, he knows how long have we been taken to retouch this photo, how long has been our process, and where are our bottlenecks. And through tracking all that, we give you the opportunity to show that in a dashboard, which is not really working. So that's basically what we did. And it's me?
2 minutes.
Oh yeah, thank you. Any questions? No, thank you very much. And,